Sabulaw Arellano, 7 years old, and Little Miss Pastranahan District po!
Is Ersimir Sabulaw Arellano, and she wants to be a nurse. And she said, "In the future, I dream of becoming a nurse. A nurse is someone who helps people get better and feel safe when they are sick. It is a job filled with kindness, care, and courage. Being a nurse means serving others with both heart and hands. I believe that through this path, I can touch lives and make a difference in the world." Once again, our candidate number 3 wants to be a nurse.
For Pastrana Leyte.
Gracing us with her presence, Little Miss Ersimir Sabulaw Arellano, a 7-year-old son, and was born on January 14, 2018. Ersimir is the beloved daughter of Mr. Neil Roque Arellano and Mrs. Marjorie Sabulaw, a grade 2 pupil studying at Pastrana Central School. When she grew up, she wants to become a nurse, and her motto in life is, "Honesty is the best policy." Once again, Ersimir Sabulaw Arellano, proudly representing District 4.
I'm in the grade number 3. Hi?
Hello po.
Oo. Kumusta? Kumusta ka candidate number 3?
Good po.
Good. So, candidate number 3, pick a paper.
Sino kami na magbuburit? Mga peraw. Nandiyan ako pagkakini.
Okay, she pick judge number 3, Dr. Joel Biranes.
Okay. Good evening. Good evening, Ersi.
Evening po.
So, Didi, iti mo language spoken, waray-waray. So, therefore, itatong pakiana, waray-waray. No? Gusto mo? Andam ka na ba? Bubag pakiana?
Opo.
Sige. So, nakilala kahin superhero?
Opo.
Ano't imo piborito nga superhero?
Superman.
Oo. Kung si Superman pumakadi, pumakita ha imo. Ano it imo aaruon ha iya nga imo paborito nga pagkaon?
Egg and menudo.
Oh, may daragod is superhero, egg and menudo. Kay ano nga amo ito it imo aaruon kang superhero nga pagkaon?
Marasa po ang egg kay healthy.
Ah, sige. Hain ka tigpalit hin menudo. Hain ka napalit hin menudo? Hinot nagluluto hin menudo hayo balay.
Akong dada tapos akong mama.
Marasa,
Opo.
tagi daw ako nga to opisina.
Okay.
Kaya ano nga tatagan mo ako?
Kaya gusto mo po.
Aha, sige, thank you.
Thanks.